Hi guys! Welcome na naman sa bagong episode ng ating vlog. My name is Elor. And welcome to Mom and Colette's vlog. So, ayan. Actually, wala akong balak mag-vlog today. Say hi! Hi! Kaya lang si Kulit nangungulit. Siyempre, makulit siya. Kaya nga siyang tawag ko nga sa kanya kulit kasi makulit siya. Anyway, sabi niya sa akin, tutulungan daw niya ako mag-luto. Ng ano? Ano ba iluluto natin, ha? Munggo. Ang ulam namin ngayon ay si Mang... si Mang Ben. Mang Bin. Sino daw si Mang Ben? Eh di si Mang Ben. Eto. Mang Ben. Si Mang Ben. Para kung, well, bagong gising ako. Don't run, anak. Tito Jack is still asleep, okay? No running. Tito Jack is still sleeping. So, ayan. So, guys, sabihin mo daw kung ano ang mga natin, ingredients natin for today. This is... You don't know what is this? Ano?
I don't know. I didn't remember it.
You don't remember the name? Munggo.
Munggo.
Beef. We need some luya, kamatis, sibuyas. Teka.
Saka mango.
It's not mango. This one, mangga daw yan. That's luya. Okay? So, nag-prepare ako ng aming fridge. Hindi lang... Ay, asan na yung ito? This is my garlic. Siguro mga teaspoon. Ayan. So, supervise natin si Zane. Siyempre, no? Kasi, baka mapasok.
Wala dito.
I will teach you how to cook munggo, okay? Para pag nag-asawa ka, marunong lang ka magluto.
So, wow! Everything I wanna be next to you. If the party was over.
Siya na nakakanta. Bruno Mars. Sing sa room, okay? Not like that. Let's make it a little bit... Chef ka ba? Masarap sana yung munggo kung may isda. Kaya lang wala tayong isda. Ay, nako. So, where's our oil? Excuse me. Excuse me.
Oh!
So, oil. Oil. Excuse me. Thank you. Oh! Careful, ha? Hirap mag-English. Ay, naku.
Oh, pwede ako mag-English. I'm good at English.
When the oil is hot, we put the garlic. Oh. Tama ba? Ito. Oh, careful. Okay.
Ayan. Yung ano na yun.
That's garlic, anak.
Ang cute! Ang cute! Naghana ng babies.
Ha?
Nakakaroon ng babies.
Nagkakaroon daw ng babies, guys. Frozen yung garlic namin. Nanganganak daw, sabi niya.
Smells good. Smells good. Good!
Careful, ha?
Smell good, smell good.
Tsaka pitis dansa. Puro pa ganun ang halo, anak, palabas. Like, she put the ginger.
Mango.
It's not mango, it's ginger.
Why it looks like mango?
Oh, well. Matis. Guys, para sa akin, maganda rin na turuan natin magluto ang ating mga anak kahit na lalaki sila. Siyempre, para pagka lumaki sila, marunong pa rin sila magluto at mamuhay ng sarili nila. Especially here in the US kasi majority ng mga teenager dito.
Sa cafe, special ako.
Very special si Zane. Majority ng mga bata dito sa US kapag 18 years old na sila, gusto na nilang mamuhay mag-isa. So, kaya mo ba natin ang mga anak natin na hindi marunong magluto, puro fast food ang kinakain? Siyempre, no. Kailangan marunong sila magluto. Habang bata pa lang, we teach them how to cook. So, pag smushy na yung anak, kamatis,
Beef.
okay? Ito ba ngayon?
If I'm 5 years old, you don't let me cook?
Yes,
What?
anak. Because you're still a baby when
But
you're
I'm
5.
6 now.
You're 6 now, so you have to learn how to cook na. Okay? O, diba? My little chef is cooking munggo. I hope he will eat the munggo.
Nobody?
Nothing, Will. Hindi ka maging linis. Hindi ka maging munggo. Wala ang kakalit ka mantika sa face mo. Okay?
Nakikita mag-English. Hindi naman.
Kaya ako, hindi ka naman English eh.
Hindi ako.
Ikaw hindi kasi you can speak English very well eh.
Kasi nag-school ako sa Manila. Puro English naman.
Kaya you didn't speak Tagalog, you didn't speak English, diba?
Kasi did you did egg from ano? Did you did egg?
What's the egg free?
You say the words and you spell it. That's egg.
Parang spelling. Ah! Kasi ka ba? You wash it, anak. Go.
That what happened if that what happened in SpongeBob at that time.
It happens
If
to
he's
SpongeBob all the
cooking.
time if he's cooking.
Mm-mm.
That's why I always tell you to step away.
Is this better?
Yeah, like that, anak. So guys, ayan, kapag kami nangyari sa kanila, minor things like that, syempre, matututo na sila. Now, he's a little bit like away.
Kasi my hands are
He's a little bit tiny pa eh. So, guys, naglagay na ako ng baby spinach. Ito talaga nilalagay ko dito sa munggo kasi wala naman ditong ibang dahon na pwedeng isama na feeling ko magmamatch sa munggo. So, isang kulo na lang to, done na. Ay, anak.
This is a rare type of robot. Me done! Me done playing Lego! I am done! Me done.
So, what did you do? Can you tell me what's that?
Make again.
Make arena. Can you show it in the camera? Okay. So, what's that?
Karina!
What are those things? Yan.
Close.
How about this one? What's this?
Gun. Riley!
Daily? Dog? Guys, ito pala si Daily. Ang sister ni Zane. What is Daily ba kasi, anak? She's a betta fish.
Beta!
Ano?
Beta fish!
Beta daw. Guys, it's beta.
Beta!
Beta. Beta. Low maintenance ang isdang to. Hindi na kailangan ng oxygen. Complicated ang kanyang organs. Okay, hi guys. So, ayan. Nag-aaya si Colette mag-mall. Kaya pupunta kami sa mall ngayon. Actually, kahapon pa dapat kami pupunta. Kaya lang, tinamad kami. So ngayon, pupunta kami maaga pa naman. Actually, mga mall dito sa US, kung saan kami nag-i-stay, hindi siya masyadong matao. Hindi kagaya sa Pilipinas na sobrang tao ang mall, especially pag weekend. Dito hindi. Yung mga groceries ganyan, separate siya. Hindi kagaya sa Pilipinas na ang magkakasama yung sa mall. Diba? May grocery, may fast food, may bilihan ng gamit, may arcades and stuff like that. Everything is actually in the mall. Dito hindi siya masyadong ganon. Napansin ko ang nasa mall, mga bilihan ng damit lang, walang grocery. Kung meron man, it's so small. Nothing big talaga siya na pwede kang dun na mamili ng pagkain mo. Nag-foundation na ako, Fenty ang gamit ko. Tapos sinet ko lang siya ng translucent powder. So, ang gagamitin ko na blush, the NARS blush. Konti lang. Kasi baka magbuka tayong clown. Gusto ko yung parang natural finish lang. I don't usually use lipstick, but I use this Sunny. Actually, this is a cream blush. But this is a NARS lipstick. Just in the middle, para may color sa gitna. I'm gonna use a Rare Beauty mascara. This is a travel size mascara. I rarely use a mascara, to be honest. Binoblower ko to kasi kailangan medyo warm siya. Kasi yung eyelashes ko, they are so stubborn na kapag nilagyan ng mascara, straight siya kaagad na gano'n. Tingnan nyo, nag-i-straight na ulit siya. Nag-i-straight na ulit siya. I'll repeat it again. So this is my day. We're here in the car and we're going to mall. Date ba natin anak ngayon? Yup. Saan tayo kakain ulit mamaya?
Sa Costco.
Sa Costco! What a date! Sa Costco daw kami kakain. Sabi niya, oh sige, we're gonna go now. We'll see you later, alligator!
Bye-bye. So we're going to Costco. Going to Costco. No, not Costco. Just take me home. Yeah, just take me home. It's too spicy. It's too spicy. Spicy. It's too spicy. Coffee. Too spicy. Too spicy. If you are a grown up, are you like coffee? I mean, you like coffee. Do you like coffee? I mean, like coffee? Malapit man ang patayo.
Guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa Target. Pinili na naman si Colette.
Wendy, please. Auntie. Auntie box.
Dito anak, dito. Mimili na naman siya. Hindi na naman siya magkanda o gaga sa pamimili.
Ah!
You like that? Ano ba yan?
I see my hand.
Mga science thing?
I like a science thing.
Well, that's cool. Hindi ka naman namimili. Nagpa-play ka naman eh. Ha?
That one. Okay then.
Kagaling mag-shopping nitong batang to.
Demon Slayer. I know this one. Or me.
Oh, you have that one before. Meron kang ganyan, di ba?
But I don't have it now. It's broken.
No, it's not broken.
Stop, stop, stop. Yes, yes!
Ano yan?
Skibidi.
Skibidi toilet. Free Lego line. Free Lego. Free Lego.
Ah, Mom.
Do you want the free Lego?
The family is painting.
Yes, and now he's building his Lego. Ito ka nga. Good job.
Oh, this is the wrong stuff.
Oh, you're right. They just didn't tell you to put that.
Yes, it's in. What is this?
What did you build? And Zane is now playing naman. Is it good? Ano yan? Free play? That's cool. Good job. Good job. Pili ka na ba? May napili ka na. Napili mo ba to? Uy. Uy.
Where? Well, where's the hair? Where's the hair? Bye bye.
No. No. See? You can do it. Akit ka na. Mag-akit ka na. Date namin ni Zane ngayon. Say hi, anak. Hi! We're eating na. How are you? Good? Ba, tusok mata mo, ha? Ba, matusok mata mo? Zane! 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 ang ganda dito sa Cheesecake Factory, may patinapay sila. Gutom na daw si Kulit, kaya bigyan na natin siya ng bread. Ayan si Kulit. Happy butter, oh.
Now you'll get some butter.
Thank you, Ma. Your bread. Good by bread, Ma? Good. His favorite ulam na naman. Ang favorite na naman yung ulam, steak.
Oh my god. Watermelon.
You just wanna eat the cream? Good?
The toppings. The toppings are good.
Wow. How you will rate it?
Bazillion out of 10.
A gazillion out of 10.
A gazillion, an infinity gazillion out of 10. Very good, very good. I need a knife.
Good? How was it?
That one is good. Eat the steak, it's good.
You wanna try beans?
No, I said. Eat the steak, it's yummy.
Gazillion out of gazillion.
I don't need the beans. This is best food ever. Good naman. I can't stop eating. I can't stop eating. This is so good. I'll go to the restaurant.
Gonna come back here? Good? Good?
Tasty. I am eating cake at the same time, and I'm eating steak and cake
At the
and
same-
cream at the same time.
Good.
The cream. I have tasted the Oreo cake.
Social naman ng anak ko, oh. Paka-social na bata.
And try.
Okay, sure. Ito naman ang araw. We're gonna go home na. Zane is already tired. We ate a good food. Zane is At nakabili na siya ng toys niya. Are you happy? Huh? You happy? We're gonna go home na?